most technicians, the majority, and I hate to say it's going to serve this field, but it's the truth. Most of them don't know how to properly diagnose and troubleshoot common systems.
Right.
They do it old school, or they do the parts canon at it, or they just kind of wing it, right? And it's really unfortunate that that's where we end up in. And we see it all the time. So an example I can give you is we have a couple of really big clients of ours that buy hundreds or thousands of these laptop kits from us. And they pay us. We send trainers to their sites pretty much every day of the week and do training.
Yeah.
And I've asked my guys, like, what do you do when you get there? Because you don't have equipment. You're like on an airplane. Like, he's like, oh, he goes, every time we go there, we go like, where's the things you can't fix? And they always have them. We're like, that's what we're working on today. And they're like, well, that's been to 3 dealers and blah, blah, blah. And this dealer's pointing at that dealer because one's the manufacturer of the engine, one's a trainer. You know, like, we're like, we don't care. Let's get hooked up to it. And every time without fail, our guys have that thing figured out.
That's awesome.
You know, and it's not because they lack the tool. They had the tool.
Yeah.
And it's not because the place they sent it to had the lack. It was just they don't know how to do it.
It's not even a lack of desire. They want to fix it.
Yeah.
They just don't know how.
They don't know how.
Yeah.